Yo, my people, what is cracking? Earthquake edition here. We are back in Southeast Alaska.
Shore party.
That is the National Geographic Venture behind us. We've got a rainy day here on the north end of Chichagof Island. We are exploring around in a place called Port Althorp, which used to be a place where there was quite a bit of man-made interference, let's say, with a logging camp. And this was also a place with a little bit of World War II history. There was a floatplane base here in the back of the bay. But we're gonna go around and explore the natural world here, have a look at the shoreline and also into the forest. And just in general, explore around. You can see we got a rising tide today. Tide's coming in. And yeah, just getting stoked, yo. Back in Southeast Alaska for the win.